In this video, I'll be discussing the idea and concept behind ratios. So ratio, a lot of times we'll see them as a ratio from A to B, where A and B are some number out there. A lot of times we'll see it as A to B, like this, with a colon, as well as A over B. And so these ratios are dealing things sometimes within shapes, between two shapes, or just two other objects. Ratios never really have units to them. So if I was to simplify 5 feet to 20 inches, and I wanted to find the ratio of this, I would first want to convert the 5 feet to 20 inches into a common unit. So I'm going to make it both inches. So I know that there's, well, 12 inches per 1 foot. Okay? 12 inches per 1 foot, like so. And so what I can do there, okay, what I can do is by setting up this way, I put inches over feet, I can cross off our units inches, our feet units cross off. And now I'm left with 5 times 12, which is 60, over 20, which will simplify. Well, we divide both by 10, we get rid of zeros, we're left with 6 over 2, which simplifies to be 3 over 1. And so our ratio here of 5 feet to 20 inches is a 3-to-1 ratio, a 3-to-1 ratio. Again, these don't really have units itself. Okay, so the 3-to-1 ratio doesn't really have units. It's just between these two objects that were there. Sometimes we can see this ratio happening within a shape or between two shapes. So if I had, let's say, a triangle that had a length of 2 all the way around, so it's equilateral triangle, and I have another triangle that has a length of 1 all the way around, and I wanted to go from triangle, let's say, A to triangle B here, the ratio of the side lengths from triangle A to the side lengths of triangle B, that would be a 2-to-1 ratio. Okay. A lot of times it also can happen within a shape. Let's say I have a rectangle. Okay, rectangle here, rectangle, rectangle, rectangle here. And let's say this side length is 3 and this side length is 12. And if I want to go between the width to the length, the width over the length here, that would be a ratio of 3 to 12. And you would simplify that as you would a normal fraction. That would be a 1-to-4 ratio. Their units will be here from 1 to 4. So again, that's width to length. And if I was going length to width, I would have flipped that around and be a 4-to-1 ratio. Well, I hope this video was informative, and thank you for watching.